Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can change settings and finding the exact image file you want. That's the why, to avoid broken links. Once located, right-click an empty area on the desktop and choose Personalize. Make sure to keep the folder open so you can confirm the image. This speeds the next step. If Personalize isn't visible, open Control Panel, then Appearance and Personalization. These first actions get you into Windows 7 display controls and ready to pick a background. Now focus on the how. Click Desktop Background in the Personalization window to open selection controls. Browse to the folder where your image resides and click the image thumbnail to select it. Select multiple images for a slideshow. Use the Picture Position menu to control Fit. Fill preserves focus, Fit avoids cropping, Stretch covers the screen. If you selected multiple images, set the change interval and shuffle if desired. Once satisfied, click Save Changes to apply the new wallpaper immediately. Finish by clicking Save Changes and then closing the personalization window. You should see the new wallpaper right away. If the background reverts later, make sure no domain group policy or third-party app is enforcing desktop settings, and verify power and screensaver options aren't causing resets. If the image fails to appear, confirm the file path hasn't changed, the file isn't corrupted, and the format is supported. If problems persist, try copying the image to pictures and repeat the steps to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.